Good evening, everybody, and hello to everybody. I think nearly everybody knows Kumkum Didi. Kumkum Didi, senior artist, senior Odissi dancer, someone who's done so much for Odissi, starting of the Odissi Research Center in Bhubaneswar. So, instead of me talking about her, I will just hand over the mic to, before that, one of our very, very old students, Komal, she, मतलब Guruji students, huh? You couldn't hear? Okay. Then maybe I should have taken the mic closer. नहीं तो की आ जाएगा. When I said our students, some of my students might think that she is my student. No, she is Guruji's student. She's there from Guruji's time. So, and I think Kumkum and she met after I don't know how many years. So, lot of years. So, she just wants to felicitate Kumkum Didi. When in NCPA Guruji had choreographed the Champu ballet, she was Krishna and she was Radha.
Yeah, and Guruji was also acted in that.
Champu? No.
Guru.
That was Guru. Okay. So, okay, I hand over the mic to Kumkum. I would request everybody to keep their mobiles on silent mode. And you all are welcome to take pictures or video if you want to. There is no in that. I mean, normally people announce no pictures, no videos, put it on silent, but I'm only saying put it on silent. That's all.
Thank you, Jalam. I agreed for this program in spite of all the problem in my house because it was Sanju's 75th birthday and Six requested me to dance. One of the items of Sanju, but Sanju and me were the two eyes of Guruji, rather right hand and left hand, and my items were mine, her items were her. Guruji is to decide which item will suit whom and how to compose according to the dancer. Maximum number of items have been composed with me, but Sanju somehow is my hero, was my hero since 1959, when most of you were not born. When she was in Kalakshetra, she used to come during summer vacation to learn Odissi, and in Kalavikas Kendra, I remember probably in 58 or 59, Indrani Rahman had visited Odisha, and in her honor, a program was arranged, and Guruji had composed the dance drama Panchapuspa. Sanju was playing the role of Madana and I was Rati. Then 5 flowers were there. The Madana used to pluck the flowers and make the bow and arrow. Both of us were dancing. Then I don't remember much about it. But I still remember how Guruji made the mukut in Kiya Phul hota tha na, isme और मल्ली फूल देके beautiful mukut he made. I only remember I had 60 pimples of summer balls in my face. I didn't know how to do that. Till now I don't know makeup and all. Guru used to make it. एक छोटा brush लेके in between he made my makeup, उसको पहना के फिर क्या डांस किया, I don't remember all those things. But from that time, I don't know how Guruji picked me up for Sanju, and that went on until her last years. Any dance drama he has met, both of us were the heroines. That way Guruji somehow, and after her death I said I am a widow so far as dance dramas are concerned, because he used to play the main role. And when I'm talking about Sanju in Seli, then there was when she became a professional dancer, I became a professional administrator, career-wise. Dance was not my profession. And I was a lecturer, I was performing, she was performing. At a particular, since 1970 I joined All India Postal Service, Post and Tele. Then she was, that is the time when I joined the services, and the vacuum which was created by my absence, Guruji jumped into and started performing. Guruji was not performing before that. There's something very, all of you should know, Guruji was only such a humble man, he was only playing as an accompanist. He will compose various dance dramas, items, but he will only accompany. When I went into the service and the vacuum which was created, and Odissi was just peeping into the classical map of India, Guruji started dancing. That was the main turning point. Otherwise Guruji was never used to dance. Probably he used to feel shy. Anyway, he danced. And then I got married, an office with the kids, and I was busy. I never danced for 10 years. That period when I was learning at home, Guruji used to come. Main thing about Sanju, I'm mixing somehow there, because 61 there was a Kumar Utsav program in Odisha. That is Kumar Purnami, full moon day, Kumaris, they used to worship moon to get a good husband. That was a very important ritualistic program in Odisha. And some boys, not some gentlemen, they made a committee. They started going from house to house to get donations, and beautiful, most important, till now I have not seen such a program after that. Beautiful items, not only dance. There was a signature tune, Kumara Pune Janhala Phula Boula Veni. All of us were dancing. Even Priyamada Mahanti had danced in her days. It was there. The song was Kumara Pune Janhala Phula Boula Veni Kumari Mane Je Uchi Khelu Chanti Jhuntiya Sabata Sonalo Phula Boula Veni. This is the song, same tune, long song, but beautiful music was there. Beautiful music Mishraji had made. Since long, since 1955-56. After Priyamada Gandhi, I took the main role. Sanju was not included in danza because he was married. So no married girl can dance that. Unmarried girls with white sari with red border and Odia जैसे पहनते घर में, उसमें फूल लगा के. That was the first item. Second is a chorus. Third is a children program. Beautiful children program were conducted. And then a drama, one act play or Giti Natya, and last is the dance drama. And I must say the most beautiful dance dramas were produced by Kumar Utsav, because the best artists, there are two institutions in Qatar, Kala Vikas Kendra and National Music Association. These two institutions had tremendous contribution for the development of Odissi. The best students of Kala Vikas Kendra and best students from National Music Association, they joined the group, and the entire All India Radio music staff and Guruji, all of them were working without a pie. None of them demanded any money. So much they used to work. And that too, since 10 o'clock in the morning till 11 in the night. They will have lunch there, rest there, and then again rehearsal. And the script writer was Suren Mahanti. He was assistant director in the All India Radio. Very extremely talented person. And dance drama was directed by Govind Tej, who later became a film director. He used to tell Kalu, this should come this way, this should go that way, this should come this way, this should come that way. I mean, he used to direct Guruji. And Bhupneshwar Mishra was the music composer. This sort of row of musicians will sit down. And not unlike nowadays, regularly they will sit down. Not a single day they will remain absent. All of them. And most beautiful dance dramas were composed with Sanju and me. And probably after 66, Sanju stopped coming, I also stopped. As a result, the productions were not so good, and then they stopped. And Guruji was also not available. That was the time Kumar Utsav, they winded up. They didn't do. But the best productions were there at that time, and Sanju and me. And I used to play really badmasi on her, on the stage. उसको ऐसे पिंच करूंगी, ऐसे ये करूंगी. She should tolerate me. I tell you, I am yet to see a person who will tolerate me. I was terribly wicked on the stage. इतना बदमाशी, because I'm better, but my dance will never go wrong. इसमें अंदर अंदर हमारा ऐसे पोज में रहे, ऐसे पोज में, then I'll pinch her. But the way she will take me and put me on her lap, I mean, nobody, this combination will never come in Odissi again. That is mainly because of Sanju. Both of us somehow that we matched. Chemistry was good, but I was very wicked with her. बदमाश बात करूंगी, so she laughs, but she won't laugh. She's very serious. ऐसे रहेगी. Don't do that, don't do that, Kanko, be careful, don't do that, don't pinch me. Really, she was very serious and she really liked me. No other dancer could have done that to her, and she will tell me. She has never danced with anybody in India without me. She liked me very much. Because of my naughtiness, I don't know why she liked me. And rehearsals also, she was very serious type of dancer. I was the most wicked one. Anyway, we jailed each other. So she was very cooperative, and one must learn how one should be dedicated, sincere and serious when Guruji is doing. Very concentrated she will take. I was not bothered, but I will dance. I don't know how. Once the music enters my head, I will dance. But she is very particular. What is the rhythm? What is the music? That way one should appreciate. All of you should realize when the dance drama is composed, it's very difficult for other artists. You should know the theme, you should know the music, you should know the script, you should know the lyric, and then where to stand, how to stand, what Guruji wants to do. All these things she was very considerate, and being a professional dancer, she did it. I was never professional, I can never be that also. But somehow we gelled for so many years. Then there was a gap. When I did my MA, then I went for my service. I came back. There was a gap of from say 70 to 84. I was not in the dance scene, not at all. So many programs used to come to me. I will tear the telegrams and the letters. Tears will roll on my eyes. I'll throw it in the waste paper basket. But Sanju was dancing at that time throughout India, and that is how. And Guruji, Odissi said they maintained the tempo of Odissi in the classical map of India. Otherwise, it would have died down. You see, anything to be declared as classical, you must perform and prove. You cannot write on a file, pen and paper, that I declare this as classical. All right, to declare some art form to be classical, you need 5 things. One is you must have a shastra of your own. You must have a rhythm system of your own. You must have a music system of your own. You must have a grammar of your own. Then you must have a strong tradition behind it. So for fulfilling these 5 elements, Sanju definitely contributed. The theoreticians were there, Dhiren Patnaik and all, to put forth the papers. But who bothers for the paper? You read the paper, that's all. But unless you see what is the dance form, how it has come, what it has taken from the All India treatise, what is their original treatise, all these things have to be considered. And Guruji's compositions with me and with Sanju. Suppose Shankaravan was done with me, Mohana was done in Sanju's house. Then Saberi was done with me, something else was done in Sanju's house. Alternately, Misraji will compose. But Guruji has to choose which item should go to whom. All forceful items to Sanju, graceful items to me. Like that, he used to choose which one will suit whom. Once I was doing Hansadani, some students of Odissi Research Center says, they told sir, she is doing all wrong things. Madam is doing wrong things. Sir says, shut up. वो तो अच्छा लिखता है तो छोड़ो. Anyway, that's a different thing. Even Sanju, I have learned so many things from her. Because she was a Kalakshetra background she had. the smartness of throwing the bow and arrow. I mean, nobody can do that. I learned certain things from her. She learned quietly, but she won't tell me or I won't tell her. But very quietly we'll imbibe each other's best qualities. That was there. She is quite intelligent and secretly I learn from her. Secretly she learns from me. What is that? Once, in fact, there was a program in Baravati Stadium, Cuttack. Both of us were dancing, or separately, not duet. Guru used to do the makeup. He did mine, Guru's, iska baad Sanju. Then she got annoyed with Guruji. Uska aankh aap अच्छा कर दिया, मेरा खराब कर दिया. Guruji बोला किसी खुश नहीं. Same thing I have done for both of you. तुम्हारा क्या होता है? ना मेरा तो छोटा हो गया, उसका बड़ा हो गया. वो बोला हम कैसे करेंगे बड़ा उसको? भगवान जिसको जो दिया है, तुम ठीक है, डांस. Then she was happy. ठीक है, like that. Sometimes she gets jealous of me, but that is a very temporary, extremely 5 minutes. She cannot maintain it because of my behavior towards her. अरे चलो इसको क्यों seriously? She is very serious type. I was very light type, the badmash type. And I have to be scolded by Guruji very badly, and she will never scold me. And she will never show any anger. I tell you, in spite of all my badmash with her. She had never told me after the program also, Kumkum, you have misbehaved with me on the stage. No, she knows. But the way we are fixing different beautiful poses, those are not seen today. I tell you, beautiful. And there was no video, there was no camera also, good cameras at that time, so that I could have, definitely they could have kept them, documented those dance. The way she will bring me and fit it in her body, it is somebody's beyond imagination. That's what Guruji liked. Anyway, then there was a gap from 1970 to 1983 until Odissi Research Center started. When I started Odissi, I came on deputation to, I gave a scheme. In fact, when I used to learn, Guruji used to compose items in my house till 2 o'clock in the night. He'll come at 9:30, both Mr. and Guruji will sit on a bed in our house. They'll start composing music and Guruji will be sitting like this till 12:30 and I'll be sitting on the floor looking at them. What is happening? Then 12:30 Guruji will tell me, stand up. 12:30 to 2 o'clock, naach hoga. Then iske baad Guruji will go, my mother will be there, papad karo, pakoda karo, pan do, coffee do, chai do, those things. My mother used to do. After Guruji goes, she'll make pan for me, give me nearly 6 cups of coffee. Then I'll just sit down to study international law. I still remember. I'll study till 5:30 in the morning. Then I go to sleep. At that time, when this position, this particular position, I still remember, I asked Guruji, what do you call it? No, chodo. You just imbibe what I am doing. I can't tell you the names. But there was no video recording. Whatever is created in the night, I have to remember. But the next day when I go to university for studies, I try to remember in the bus, then I'll do what to do. And if I forget, it has to be recreated. I wanted to write it down. Then at that time it was a big question mark in my mind. What is there? What is the foot position? What is the foot movement? At least if they have been identified with a nomenclature, I could have written down some of the compositions, which I couldn't. But then when I was in postal service and I'll go to office, Gharao, there were thousands of files and hardly any connection with dance. Then in the evening I'll play bridge with my husband, with a group till 2 o'clock. But in between Pratibha Bedi comes to my house, somebody comes to my house, Ilyana comes to my house, what is this dance, what is that dance? Guruji also comes, but Guruji felt he was happy I got married. At the same time he was very sad because of the dance side and he couldn't balance. You see, Guruji is a human being and he always wanted his students to be balanced in life. make your family life, keep the family in good condition, happy, then you come for dance. That was his attitude in life. And he always told, in front of my husband, that I have told Shivu, to be a good teacher in dance, you must have a good character. Otherwise you cannot thrive in this field. He liked that sort of, and since Guruji had never gone to a school, anybody who is studying well, he has a soft corner. And in my theory answers in dance examination, Guruji was so happy I was getting 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10 in every paper. That from that time when I was in class 7, 8, Guruji started liking me, that this girl is a good student. So that is how he has a liking for me, and that meant I could maintain. And when I was going to Russia, ICCR invited me. My father said, nothing doing. You appear in IAS, if you come through, then I'll allow you. Agni Parikya. I started studying 1 month, I got it. Then he couldn't say no. Then second point, I can't leave you alone. No, you are not married, you can't go. You must be separate, your mother must go. ICCR said, okay, mother must go. And this is the time, I tell you, when nowadays people don't get an opportunity. At that time they were grabbing us for program. That was in 70. After that I joined services. I was totally cut off. Guruji and Sanju, they were filling up the vacuum and all the programs. But this question mark of fourth position was haunting in my mind all along. Then I thought Sanju and Guruji were dancing. They are getting clapping. That momentary pleasure, 5 minutes. Yesterday I danced, all of you hooted and clapped. But what happened after next day? It goes away, no? This is what has killed me. They are dancing with lights on, clapping and all that. But what next? Where is the documentation? Unless it is documented. Suppose somebody wants to do a research on Guruji's choreography. Unless you have a base for research, where is the base? Unless you catch hold of him dancing, there is no answer. So documentation was not at all there. Then all these foot position in Odissi, jitna foot position hai, these things haunted my mind all through. I found then one day I thought in the evening that why not make what was happening in my house, with my parents' house, why not have it under government banner? The same office, under the same roof, Mishra ji, Guruji, Balkrishna Das should be there for the replenishment of the repertoire. And I will do the research work in between. That 4-point scheme I made and gave it to Government of Odisha, that is documentation, codification, dissemination and notation. These are the 4 points on which and Janki Wala Patnaik was there at the time, Chief Minister. He brought me on deputation. But to my utter surprise, I was posted as Director Culture. I said, what is there? My posting was there as Director Foreign Post in Calcutta. Why should I come here as Director Culture, writing proceedings and giving it to the Secretary for signature? I never wanted it, but my husband advised me, you remain as Director Culture, it will be easier for you to do this Odissi Research Center work, because everything goes to the Directorate. Actually that happened. His advice, I must be grateful to my husband, he has given me the right advice. Join, even if you don't want, you join a Director Culture so that the Odissi Research Center scheme will go through, because everything moves from the Directorate. That's what happened. I was there, I moved everything, it was cleared, but the minister didn't release it. He sat over it. इसमें अंदर रख के वो गुस्सा हो गया मेरे पर. I won't mention the name of the minister, but he said कि वो रविंद्र मंडप है, उसका चेयर रिपेयर है, आप देखिए वो फाइल क्लियर होना चाहिए, पैसा. I said, whether the chairs have been repaired, I don't know. I said, call the person who is there, who is in charge of Ravindra Mandap. Assistant director, I called him. I said, have they been repaired? I said, give it rent. Give me a certificate that it has been repaired. Then only I will release the money. Otherwise not. Then I was ready. The contractor will come and beat me. I was ready with a paperweight. इसको ऊपर भाग भाग वो आएगा तो उसको छोड़ूंगा until this fellow clears with a certificate. And the minister got annoyed with me. First, second, वो जो एशियन गेम हुआ था, घूमरा डांस हुआ था ओडिसी का 8 minutes ओडिशा से, and 8 minutes dance, the expenditure at that time was 14 lakhs. The file was this fat. That's another. There were huge assembly questions and all that. I didn't clear that file. Minister told me, just look at that file. I think there is nothing. Lots of poisons are there. I didn't. And somehow in 3-4 cases the minister was annoyed with me, and in one particular he asked me an explanation. I gave a very bad type of explanation. And the chief secretary called me. He said, I wish the minister doesn't read it. I said, I wish the minister reads it. I have a job in my background. I have not come here to serve you as a director of culture. Let the minister. Then the minister wrote, let this officer go back to her own department, lock, stock, barrel. Khatam. He didn't release the body citizen file. And I was released. I came to the secretary room again as officer on special duty. तो उसमें क्या हुआ, मेरा हस्बैंड का एक केयर टेकर था ऑफिस में. ही केम एंड टोल्ड मी, मैडम जाएंगे एक ये वाला था एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास. ऐसा कितना कितना रुपया लेगा ना, 10. चलो. And unfortunately he was a Telugu. Sanglu, Sanglu, Suklu, 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 Rabilu, 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 something calculated. Sudruluka. Shatrita, Samadika, Samaritana, Shatrita. Basic version of the Sudruluka. That is the means. Samaritana, Shatrita Karivara. Then I said, should I meet him? Because my husband was at Norwich at that time in England doing research. He phoned me and said, if possible, meet the minister. I said, no, I won't meet the minister. Come what may. Then I asked the Ashwara, should I meet him? Hello, don't meet him. Don't meet him. Say, Bajja Kala to Santara Kadu. Agni re, kerosene dalla. You put fire, kerosene in agni. Aisa ho jayega. Don't meet him. Someone chot at him. 6 days. Chot at him, tund badi ghara vaswara. Tund badi, tund badi ghara vaswara. Chot at him. Taapari Shubbu automatic. Shubbu automatic. I came away. Believe me, this was on 6th February 84. And on 12th, my neighbors, भाऊजा, भाभी, कल रात को मिनिस्ट्री चेंज हो गया. मैंने बोला क्या? मिनिस्ट्री चेंज हो गया. मैंने बोला या? हाँ. Then I told my colleague, Subhash Pani, who was the chief secretary, Subhash, I heard this. Madam, wait कीजिए. Let the newspaper come. Wait कीजिए. Let the news. It come out in the news. Actually, believe me, on the 7th day, the ministry was changed. Minister was changed. Chief Minister took the culture department. Immediately the file was, same day, Odisha Research Center file was released. And I am not boasting, but ये ग्रह, I must say, ओडिसी का अच्छा टाइम आया था, इसलिए नहीं, I am telling you the fact, not as a joke, but it may appear to you as a joke, but this is the fact which has happened to Odisha Research Center. The file came out and there was no budgetary provision. And from sports side, the Secretary, Culture and Sports were together then. From the sports side, Mr. Tiwari was the Secretary, he released 3,50,000. And one big hall was like this was given to me as from archives, state archives. One big hall was given to me and I started the office and some officers from the directorate came. First was Balkrishna Das who joined. He came from Music College. Guruji was not there at that time. Guruji was probably in Bombay or Calcutta doing workshop somewhere. Then Chief Minister wrote to All India Radio to send Mishraji on deputation. That will take some time. And on 24th was a good time. Again I told that astrologer, अब बताओ कौन सा टाइम अच्छा है? 4:45 नदिया भांगी बोला, coconut. At 4:45 break करना. So Guruji was at Cuttack. I sent the car for him, waited, he came and broke the nariyal. That is how Odissi research started. Then Guruji came. After that, Mishraji came. But I have not told Guruji anything by that time. He also didn't know what to do. Of course, he was a very intelligent man. He knows. Once, if throughout his life, he has never done any government job. First time he joined. But he was on his own. His time was on it. 3 o'clock he'll start his office till 9:30. His timing. You can't bring him at 10 o'clock. How can you? I told the secretary, it doesn't matter. Guruji hai to jo time milega unko. Then I conducted first thing, and through this I'll come to Sanju again. I conducted a seminar with all the Devdasis and Gotipo maestros, then Pankaj Babu. He was the senior most. Pankaj Babu, Guruji, Devaprasad Das, Gangadhar and Ramani. I stopped there. Then this side, Sonal Mans, Priyambada Mahanti, Minati Mishra, Priyambada Mahanti, Sonal Mansingh, Sanjuta Panigre. This was the gathering. And my question was, when you started learning, how did you learn Odissi? And no questions were allowed. Because I wanted to video record everything. I recorded. So, one of the Gotipu maestro, he was 84. Guruji went to the village and brought him. He showed all the steppings which nowadays in Pallavis, whatever steppings you are doing, you still now it is there in the Odissi Research archive. All the steppings he did at the age of 84, Buddha. But he showed. And Gotipo maestro, Devdasis, Pankaj Babu, Guruji, all of them were there. From that seminar, I got 14 chapters of the Odissi Pathfinder, Volume 1. What I am telling you. The next, and at that time, Sanju, first time I told her, I was only frank with Sanju, not with anybody else. I told Sanju, this is the purpose for which I am calling this meeting. It is okay. Then next was Sanju, myself, Guruji, Pankaj Babu, then 2 Sanskrit scholars from State Museum, Palmlip section head and one, that is Nirmal Mishra and Bhagwan Panda, and research center staff, one Sanskrit scholar was there, Odia scholar, myself, Sanju, Guruji and Pankaj Babu. This was the committee for first foot position ke liye. In the meantime, all the foot position I asked my artist to draw. ये जितना है धनुपात पृष्ठधनु whatever you see in the book, I had asked the artist to draw. One of the girls will show, he will draw. प्रणति का फुट ले गया फोटोग्राफ मैंने. प्रणति का फुट बहुत सुंदर है, तो I called प्रणति and took photographs of most of the foot positions. उसको देखकर मेरा आर्टिस्ट सब ड्रॉ कर दिया. Then we sat down for nomenclature. क्या होगा? ये इसका नाम हो गया विलग्न पासनी. So my role was to put it in Guruji's head. Here, when we do Bulagna Prasi, some of the weight is taken by the right heel. Suppose both weight of the body is divided by both the legs. But in this, when we do Bilagna Prasini in Tribhanga, 1/4 of the weight is there, 3/4 weight in the left leg. So Bilagna in that sense is firmly placed on the ground. Then it appeal, but all the names should appeal Guruji. उनका सिग्नल नहीं होने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Like that, Sanju was very happy at that time. She cooperated with me maximum in whatever work I did. I always took her, but she will remain quiet. But she judges whether it is correct or not. And she spoke very few words. And she was definitely happy when I did this with her consent. And she said, okay, this is good, okay, go ahead, like that. And any meeting, whenever she is there in the headquarters without a performance, she will attend. And I must say, maximum help I have got from Sanju. Not from the Guru side, but as a performer side. Sanju was the main person whom I consulted. Then came the foot movements. Like that, hours will go, because any name you say, Guruji won't agree. ये अच्छा नहीं है, ये अच्छा नहीं है, ये अच्छा नहीं है. Ultimately, I have to show Guruji, this is Bina Pucha, this is Bandhani, this is Lolita, this is Nupura. Guruji will okay, Sanju will do okay, Pankaj will also. Because if you see, when you teach verbally, you don't follow logic. But when you come to pen and paper, you have to follow logic. Without that, you can never write. After this nomenclature, then foot movement, all those chapters all of you should know. I have to analyze. We sat down long hours. Once it is done finally, then I used to call an All India seminar, where Sonal, those who matter, they used to come, and I'll put through. This is the book we are going to publish. If any of you have any objection, please raise. And if you are logical, hardly any objection will be there. Without logic, if you do it, lots of objection will be there. That is how, after it is okayed by the All India seminar, then I'll go for publishing the book. But before publishing, in one rough paper, every paper, Guruji's signature I took. Kalucharan, lest he changes, मर जाएंगे. अगर गुस्सा आ जाएगा, he'll change. नहीं ये आई डोंट एग्री, तो इसको सिग्नेचर ले लिया मैंने गुरुजी का. रियली आई एम टेलिंग यू, इसको लेके अलमारी में रख दिया. इसके बाद पब्लिकेशन हो गया. After that publication, when the book was released by the Chief Minister, J.B. Patnaik never thought that I will publish a book like this. He was so happy. He said, when I brought her on deputation, I knew she was a good dancer, but I never imagined this can be produced by her. The very grammar. If the temples will crumble, everything, your book will remain. Somewhere, book will remain. He was very happy. Then my deputation was over by that time. He wrote to the Prime Minister that I want to keep this officer another 1 year. But the Government of India didn't agree. Then he requested me, why don't you join Odisha government? Of course, I lost 2 years of service, lost in pension, lost in pay, but I had the pleasure of working. Then my husband got jealous. You're the only officer whose hubby became her professor. In the meantime, Sanju and me, Muktasar festival came. Hare Krishna Mahaprabhu's house, it was decided. Muktasar festival, first time in 84, Odisha Research Center conducted Muktasar festival. In that, Bhagavad Gita was composed. Bhagavad Gita actually was composed. I came to dance in Bombay 1968. No, not 68, 78, sometime. In what occasion, I don't remember. Before, any program I come, I will insist Guruji to give me new compositions. I will not dance old ones. That was the trick from 65, when Sankaravarna was composed. So this time also I said, I will not go unless you give me new Pallavi. So Hansadhani was composed, 8 days में. इसके बाद Bhagavad Gita. I was doing both, Krishna Arjuna. So I performed Hansadhani first time in Bombay and Bhagavad Gita. वो जो बॉम्बे में किया था, हमारा जूड़ा तो इसे हला, डाड़ा लूज हो गया. And ultimately went and came to Guruji's feet. Fell into Guruji's feet. Then मैं तो और साइड फेस्ट बिल्कुल नहीं किया, ऐसे करके चला गया. So I still remember वो जूड़ा गिर गया और हंसधनी सक्सेसफुल हो गया. Then 84 में जब मुक्तेश्वर फेस्टिवल हुआ, Bhagavad Gita was shared by me and Sanjukta. Sanju said, I will play the role of Krishna, let her play the role of Arjuna. Guru said no. No, Arjuna में कुछ नहीं है, Arjuna में कुछ. Guru said, I'll add. Don't worry. I'll give you sufficient dance. But I am telling you, no male dancer in India could compete with Sanju the way she did it. I tell you, and none of you have seen, but the way she did it, no male dancer can compete with her. What force, what expression. It's a real something to see. When in Russia both of us did, na? Did you see that? Very powerful music, and the way Raghuvaina was singing, hats off. And Raghuvaina was singing, Bhuvnesh Mishra playing the violin, Guruji playing the pakhas, and Sanju and me. What a combination. So, that time, Sanju and me came closer. Not only this, when Mukteswar festival started, both of us came from the Shivalinga with flowers. Guruji was playing the ghanta. That was beautiful beginning, and 1.5 lakhs people were there gathering. Yes, on the top of the trees, yes, people were there. Then we did Vakratunda Mahatand, Mangalacharna में. Vakratunda के बाद we did some Pallavi or something. No, Kirmanian Konark festival. Then Bhagavad Gita. And Sanju, and the composition was over at 5:30. 7 is the program starts. हमने बोला गुरुजी क्या है कैसे करूँ ना, गरम पूरी खाओ, गरम पूरी. Dustbin ताजा है, but not a single mistake was there. I still remember the last part. Da 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 da, dee da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. That music was composed and we learned the fighting portion. After that, again we started research work. It's a performance and research work was going on simultaneously. What I used to do whole day, office administration I'll do till 12:30. No, I used to go late. 11:30 to between 11:30 12 I'll go to office, finish the office work by lunch hour, then start research work. I'll take one of the students. Then at 5 exactly I'll go to the floor for the practice. Not for me, but for the students, those who are internees paid for it. At 5 I'll close the door. Those who have not joined the class, they will remain out. And all the musicians will be there. With full music, we started. New compositions are there. Many things happened. Many things happened during that day. Then came the, and Sanju used to come regularly to the research center. And once in one program, there was International Court of Justice program conducted by Supreme Court of India. They called us, me and Sanju. We did one Mangalacharan together. Then I did one Pallavi, she did one Pallavi. Like that, alternate. Then last, Yahi Madhava and Dehi Pada Pallav Mudara. That was the best part of it, I tell you. The way Raghuvana sang. Music was not there. No musician was available. At this Hemant was sitar tum 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 kar raha tha. And one flutist came from Delhi. ऐसे लंगड़ा है, ऐसे चलता था. वो आके क्या बजाया मुझे पता नहीं. I was moved by Raghuvana's song. And the way Raghuvana sang, I tell you, till now that video is with me. All the judges, Supreme Court judges, all the judges, everyone started crying. Next day they called us for breakfast. So what a program it was. Anyway, there's Sanju and me, I'm telling you because we are combined. We are combined at that time. And the rehearsal was very few. Very few, last minute rehearsal Guruji makes. Sanju was not available, maybe we went to Delhi, then started the rehearsal. And वो जो action reaction, यही मतलब का reaction संजू का, उनका बदसी में मेरा reaction. और सुबह 5 बजे, I didn't remember anything. Anyway, we did it. It became successful. Whatever I did, I understood, I did. So our program हुआ था Git Govinds in a smaller way in Kashmir. That was in 85. Again, Sanju and me. We went to Kashmir and Bhuvaneshwari Mishra was singing. Mishra ji was there. 3 days rehearsal only. Throughout the night, throughout the day. 23 hours. Guruji won't sleep. He'll sit on a particular gadda ke baith ke. He'll release me at 5, release Sanju at 5:30 and tell come back by 7 o'clock. 1 घंटा कैदी तो थे और क्या. Again rehearsal whole night. हो गया. Third day program तो there were 3 mirrors. एक में गुरुजी, एक में संजू, एक में और 2 girls थे. I was nowhere in the picture. कुछ नहीं हुआ था मेरे को तो गुरुजी करना था ना. Let him feel, अरे बुढ़ा क्या कर रहे हो, आ जाओ मेरे पास, आप क्या कर रहे हैं, इधर एक मिरर लगा है. तब अनाउंसमेंट शुरू हो गया. तो संजू came and helped me. ये जो कस्टम हो गए ना, ऑर्नामेंट संजू बना दिया, गुरुजी ऐसे किया करके जो आंख बना दिया, देन वेंट टू द स्टेज. क्या हुआ, इन बिटवीन